Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to view and customize your notification settings on Discord, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to discordapp.com. This will take you to the Discord web application, where you can access all your settings seamlessly. Once you're on the site, look for the settings gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's right next to your user picture and name. Go ahead and click on that icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. It's usually located a bit further down the list. Take your time to locate it, and when you see it, click on it. In the App Settings section, you'll find various options to manage your experience on Discord. Look for the Notifications option and give it a click. Here, you'll see a range of notification settings tailored to your preferences. You can enable or disable desktop notifications, set up sounds, and adjust alerts for messages, mentions, and more. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and customized your notification settings on Discord. Now you're all set to manage how you stay connected with your friends and communities without getting overwhelmed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.